Доброе утро и добро пожаловать на мой канал. Hello and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. Today we're going to learn some vocabulary from this book, First 1000 Words in Russian, and today we're going to finish it. So the last two pages, we're going to learn the vocabulary of the last two pages today. We're going to talk about Luna Park, Fairground, and Circus. So fun lesson. Let's begin with the word Luna Park. Don't forget to practice with me out loud and copy my pronunciation. Первое слово, the first word is Luna Park. Пишем. Luna Park. Park. Luna Park. Fairground. Fairground. Ground. Luna Park. Practice with me out loud. Luna Park. Хорошо. Дальше. Колесо обозрения. And I will show you the pictures as well. So this is колесо обозрения. Давайте напишем. Колесо. Видно, да? Колесо. Ой, что случилось? Что случилось? Колесо. Колесо обозрения. Обозрения. Обозрение. Колесо обозрения is a big wheel in English. Big wheel. Or maybe you know another word that we can name it, that we can call this thing, right in chat. In Russian, it's колесо обозрения. Something like watching wheel, the wheel that you can watch from it to see something from it or something like that, literally. Хорошо, дальше. Следующее слово карусель. Давайте напишем карусель. 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 Карусель is the thing for children. Sometimes it is with cars. Sometimes it's with animals. In English, we call it roundabout. Roundabout. In Russian, карусель. Roundabout. In Russian, карусель. Карусель. Дальше something tasty. Сахарная вата. Сахарная вата. Сахарная вата. And сахарная вата is a candy floss. Candy floss. In English, in Russian, we call it sugar. Sugar wool or something like that. Сахарная вата. Окей, дальше. Американские горки. We call them американские горки. Горки. Американские горки. But I heard in this one too. This and this are американские горки. We call it like that. But I heard that in America they call them Russian горки. Yeah? Американские горки. Американские горки. Давайте напишем. Let's write it down with red. Американские горки. Американские горки. Горки. Literally American hills, something like that. Американские горки. In English, it's a roller coaster, right? Roller coaster. So you saw, we have two pictures here. Американские горки and американские горки again. It depends, right? Американские горки. Дальше. Next, we have here поезд с привидениями. Поезд с привидениями. Ghost train. You know, you take this train and you go there, and there it's very scary, some scary things, scary people, and We can see this to a couple here. They are very scary. Scared, not scary, scared. Хорошо, пишем. Поезд с привидениями. Поезд is a train. Поезд с привидениями. С привидениями. С привидениями. I didn't realize this word was so long. Поезд с привидениями. A train with ghosts. Поезд с привидениями. Скажите, say. Поезд с привидениями. A train with ghosts. Хорошо, пойдем дальше. And the next one is a very tasty thing too. It's popcorn. 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 In Russian, this O is stressed, not this one. Popcorn. Popcorn. Да. Хорошо, пойдем дальше. Электромобили. Электромобили are these kind of cars. Электромобили. I loved this attraction when I was a child. Электромобили. Давайте напишем. Электромобили. Электромобили. Electric cars. In English, they call them dodgems. Yeah, dodgems. Да. Dodgems. Write in comments. So, электромобили, these electric cars. Then, next, we have набрось кольцо. And I will tell you what you have to do there. Набрось кольцо. Кольцо. So here, кольцо. So here you have this stick and you have to put a ring on it. Набрось кольцо is throw a ring, to put on this thing. Throw a ring. Hoopla in English. Hoopla in English. Hoopla in English. Набрось кольцо. Хорошо. Now let's talk about circus. Circus in Russian is цирк. Черным давайте напишем. Цирк. Цирк. Цирк is circus. Цирк. Цирк. Here we have эквилибрист. 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 Equilibrist. Equilibrist is a trick cyclist. Trick cyclist. And I will show you a picture. Equilibrist. So he is equilibrist. Equilibrist. Отлично. Дальше. Акробаты. Акробаты. Давайте напишем. Акробаты. Акробаты. Акробаты are acrobats, of course. Acrobats. Акробаты. Акробаты. Хорошо. Дальше. Let's continue. И следующее слово. And the next word is трапеция. Трапеция. Давайте напишем. Let's write it down. Then I will show you the picture. Трапеция. Трапеция. Трапеция is this thing. Трапеция. Трапеция is trapeze in English. Trapeze. Трапеция. Трапеция. Дальше we have веревочная лестница. This ladder. Веревочная лестница is a tightrope rope ladder. Yeah, rope ladder. Веревочная лестница. Пишем. Веревочная лестница. Ladder. Лестница. Rope ladder. Лестница. Веревочная лестница is a rope ladder. Веревочная лестница. Here we have канатоходец, the person that walks on the rope. Да. Канатоходец, tightrope walker. Давайте напишем. Канатоходец. 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 Канатоходец, a tightrope walker. Tightrope walker. Канатоходец. Канатоходец. Дальше he has in his hands a chest. Давайте напишем. Chest. Chest. This is what he has in his hand. Chest. We call it chest. A pole. A pole. Chest. Chest. Дальше we have батут. Батут. Батut. Batut is where you jump. Batut. Safety net. Safety net is batut in Russian. Batut. Safety net. This. We are talking about this thing. Batut. Batut, where you can jump, right? Batut. Дальше, следующее слово. Жонглер. Жонглер, very similar to the English word. Жонглер. 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 Так. Жонглер. Жонглер is a juggler. Juggler. Жонглер по-русски. Жонглер. Дальше дрессировщик. 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 Дрессировщик is the person that dresses that ringmaster in English. Ringmaster. 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 Look here. Дрессировщик. And he has a dog here and a rabbit and maybe other animals that he's дрессирует. How to say that? That he's teaching them to do tricks. Да? This is дрессировщик. Да? And usually he has кольцо, a ring, кольцо, a big ring, кольцо, ring. Yeah. This one. Кольцо, a ring. Собака, a dog, собака. You know this word, right? Собака, a dog. Кролик, a rabbit. Кролик. Кролик, a rabbit. Кролик. What else? Cylinder, that long head. Cylinder. 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 Cylinder in English is a top hat. Top hat. Cylinder, a top hat. And a few more words and we are done. Следующее слово and the next word is оркестр. Of course, we have оркестр. Оркестр. Давайте напишем. Оркестр. Very similar to the English word оркестр. Оркестр. People that are playing instruments here. Yeah, orchestra. Оркестр. Оркестр. Next is наездница. And I will show you the picture as well. Наездница. It's a наездница. Наездница. A bareback rider. A bareback rider. Наездница. A bareback rider. Наездница. Clown. A clown, of course. Clown. Clown. My cousin was very afraid of clowns. I remember that from my childhood. I have this memory. It was so strange for me. He was very afraid of clowns. Clown. We have a clown here, so if you are afraid, don't watch. Clown. And clown has this thing, a bow tie. We call it бабочка. Бабочка. Бабочка is literally, we can translate it as a butterfly, but in this context, we translate it as bow tie. Бабочка, bow tie. Bow tie. Бабочка, right? Бабочка. Okay, that's all for today. We are done with this book. If you want to see more videos, all the videos that I made using this book with each lesson from here with all 1,000 words, just follow the link in the description box with the full playlist with all the lessons with this book. Спасибо за внимание. Thank you for your attention. Увидимся с вами завтра. See you tomorrow in the morning for my 2 live lessons. Спасибо. Чмоки-чмоки.